Hey everyone, Dutchman Mods and Repairs. We got a video follow-up. This is, I don't know, part 4 or 5 on the hot tub gravel pad that we did, and this is actually a little over a year later. We are approaching May of 2023, and we put this pad and the hot tub went in late January, early February of 2022. And so I just wanted to do kind of a follow-up just so people could kind of see, hey, you know, how are things, what are things looking like a year out, anything you've noticed, blah, 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 you know, that kind of stuff. And to be honest, the answer to probably all of those questions would be no. We have been very happy with how things have worked out. We have not noticed any noticeable settling whatsoever. This is my, oh, hello, Pepper. I always got to get the dog in the video, right? Drain ports over here. I've probably done, I don't know, 5 or 6 complete drains on this, and I'm going to do another video at some point. I got a little trick of the trade on how to drain out your hot tub much faster than this down these little ports that you have in your hot tub. That's another subject. Better not go down that rabbit hole, right? Stay on topic here, Dutch. So no noticeable settling, no issues whatsoever. I would say just, you know, the treated lumber, we're gonna have to go back and do some restaining just from, you know, water splashing up on it. It's got, you know, some chlorine on it, that kind of a thing. But I mean, that's probably rain too. You know, we get rain over here, comes off the house, washes over here. So, and I'm not gonna complain about it. We gotta hit it with a little stain, no big deal. Also had a couple questions about, or not couple, I had a question recently about, hey, I thought you used number 57 to do the pad. What's the little stuff in here? So when my wife did the hardscaping out here around the hot tub, all down the side here, the other side there, she used the smaller gravel in between, you know, just to get it packed down in there. And she had some left over, and what she did is she just took it and kind of worked it into the gravel around the hot tub, so it kind of matched. But the core pad, if you will, was made from the number 57 gravel. So that's just it. Very quick, down to earth, nothing special there, just to let you know that all is well. Very happy with what we did. I've been very happy with it, how it looks. So yeah, a little over a year follow-up. Got any questions, comments about that? There may be some, you never know. Shoot them down below. If you haven't subscribed, hey, subscribe to the channel. We do, we throw all kinds of stuff in here. I've always got projects going on, so at one point I might have like 10,000 videos in this channel, but that'll be right before they put me in the ground. But anyhow, it keeps you active, keeps your mind going, keeps you healthy. So yeah, subscribe to the channel. Check out all our videos. Thumbs up if you like what you see in here. If you don't, well, I guess you can thumbs down or just don't do anything. It's totally up to you. All right. Thanks for watching the video. Have a good one. Dutch out.